Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Toyota Ipsum. It has 33,072 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 3SFE 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle does come with 4 doors and 1 rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right. As y'all can see, the lights do come on. The lights do go away. Right here, as y'all can see, the vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. The number you're seeing, 53,226, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 33,072. I did want to point out to y'all that the check engine light will come on. Sometimes it won't, but the car does run and drive really good. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive vehicle, postal vehicles around the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss out on any of our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd love to answer any questions that y'all might have. I do want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate it more than you know. I do hope y'all have a blessed and safe day.